Okay, so we're doing the exact differential equation of this function with the initial value of this, y of 1 equals 2. Step 1, we find out if is it exact. And we do this by getting m, which equals 2xy minus 3, and n, which equals x squared plus 4y. And we find the derivative with respect to y for m, which is 2x, and the derivative with respect to x of n, which is 2x. So we see here that they are exact. Step 2, what we do is do f of x and y and find the integral of m dx, which is the integral of 2xy minus 3 dx, which gives us 2y when you take that 2y out, x squared over 2 minus 3x plus g of y. Remember, it's not plus c because we're finding a function. And then we go x squared times y minus 6xy plus g of y, which we factored in 2y here, and these cancel out, giving us this. And then we find a derivative with respect to y. So f of y equals x squared minus 6x plus g prime of y. G prime of y equals negative x squared plus 6x. We minus g prime of y here, minus g prime of y. And then we factored out the negative, making it negative x squared plus 6x. And then what we do here is we get g prime of y equals negative x squared plus 6x plus g, and then we get the integral with respect to y, These cancel out here, so we're left with g of y equals the integral of negative x squared plus 6x with respect to y, which gives us g of y equals negative x squared y plus 6xy. The next step here is to do f of x of y, set it equal to c, which gives us x squared y minus 6xy plus g of y equals c. And g of y is right here. So f of x of y, f of x and y equals x squared y minus 6xy plus negative x squared y plus 6xy equals c. And if we see here, this cancels out with this cancels out with this, so we're left with 0 equals c. We could also plug in the initial condition and see that we are going to get 0 as well. And remember, the initial condition was y of 1 equals 2, or x is 1 and y is 2, so we have 1 squared times 2 minus 6 times 1 times 2 plus negative 1 squared times 2 plus 6 times 1 times 2 equals c. Once we simplify all that, we see that 0 equals C. So therefore, x squared y minus 6xy minus x squared y plus 6xy equals 0.